Hello everybody. I hope you people are fine and preparing well for your examination. Now we were dealing with the square and square root of numbers, isn't it? Square and square root of numbers. I hope you people might have seen the previous video where I had explained about it. So after you go through that video, only then you come over here. Okay, this is your, you can say, this is your second part. So the first part is very essential. Come on, here you have been asked find the square. So square of 59. The square of 59 means what? 59 times 59 means 59 multiplied by itself. So when you will multiply, you will get a value 3481. Clear? When you will multiply this. Similarly, find the square of 6.3. So square of 6.3 is same as 59 into 59, but you can also write this as 6.3 whole square. So square of 6.3 is 6.3 square, which can be written as 6.3 multiplied by 6.3, and when you will multiply it, you will get 39.69 when you will multiply it. Okay, now remember, you see that the decimal over here is after one place and the decimal over here is after one place. So after you multiply, the decimal in the answer should be after two places. Clear? Now come to number 2. Number 3 you can do it yourself. Okay, by splitting into prime factors, find the square root of. Achha. So here they have asked you that find square root. First they have given you square and then find the square root. Means find the square root of 11025. Very good. So the square root of 11025 will be written in this form, 11025. Okay. Now how to disintegrate this 11025? No, I cannot say how to disintegrate this. Naturally you will disintegrate it by breaking it into its prime factors. 11025. I'll explain you once. Okay, please concentrate over here. So let's see that when you will divide it by 5, you will get 2205. Once again, can be divided by 5 is equal to 441. Then 763. Then comes 7 9 times, 3 times. So what I find that on disintegrating it into prime factors, I get square root of 11025 as 5 times 5 times 7 times 7 times 3 times 3. Okay, now what I find that each of these digits, or you can say number also, they are in pairs. So the square root, to find the square root, we will take each one among every two numbers. From every pair we will take 1. Here we will take 7 and here we will take 3. Therefore when you will multiply, what are you going to get? So let's multiply and see what you people are going to get. 7 2 times 14, 7 3s are 21, 2s are 42. This is what is your square root. I hope this was loud and clear. Okay, this was very loud and clear, my dear. Okay. Oh my, sorry, this is 5. Why did I take 2? 5. Vision problem. So 5 times 7 times 3 will give you 105. 105. Okay. Similarly, In number 3, okay, in number 3, find the square root of 396900. Find the square root of this. So when you will disintegrate in the same style, naturally you will get the values as 2 times 2, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 7 times 7. You will get this particular value. So from each of them, do select 1, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So when you will multiply, you will get 630 as your answer. Simple. Okay. Now moving on to the next. What is special in the next? Okay. Here we have find the smallest number by which 2592 be multiplied so that the product is a perfect square. In number 3, they are asking us that when you will multiply 2592, first of all they are saying that this 2592 is not a perfect square. Very good. Now then they are asking you that it should be multiplied by what number so that you can convert it into a perfect square. So first of all we will disintegrate this 2592. So this 2592, when you will convert it into its factors, you will get 2, how many times? 1, 2, 9, 6, then 2, 6, 4, 8, 2, 3, 24, 2 times 162, then 3, 81, and 81 means again 3, 27, 3, 9, okay, 3, 3. So I find that I can disintegrate this 2592 can be written as, have a look, this 2592 can be written as 2 times 2, okay, times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, 3 times 3 times 3. Now if this would be a perfect square, then in that case each of these numbers will have pairs. So this has one pair, this also has one pair, this 3 also has one pair, this has one pair. What about this? This fellow has no pair. This means if I would have one more 3, then in that case 2592 would have become a perfect square, isn't it? Therefore your answer is that it should be multiplied by 3 to convert it into a perfect square. Now my dear, if I multiply this with 3, then in that case this number will change. This automatically, this 2592 will change because I have multiplied this by 3. This means it will become 2592 times 3. I have multiplied it with extra 3. So here we will get this particular number. So what will be the square root of the new number? This is my new number. So the square root of new number will be, have a look, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Isn't it? 2 times 2 times 2, we can say 3 into 3 into 3. And this will be equal to how much? This will be equal to, when you will multiply it, naturally what are you going to get? So I will get, let me see, 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27, and when 27 is multiplied by 4, 7 4s are 28, 4 2s are 8, 9 10, 108. 108 will be its square root of the new number. Simple. 108 will be the square root of new number. Okay. Now let's come to the next one, that is number 4 says find the smallest number. In number 4 they say find the smallest number which when divided, smallest number by which 10368 should be divided. You are going to divide by which number so that you can convert it into a perfect square. So 10368, when you will factorize it, what are you going to get? You will get this. You will get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. You will get this. This means, have a look. Clearly it's visible that it is not a perfect square because this 2 remains. So we will have to remove this particular 2. So when you will remove this particular 2, when you are going to remove this particular 2, it will become a perfect square. So when it will become a perfect square, what will be the square root? So first of all my answer will be, it should be divided by 2. It should be divided by 2. Now what will be the square root? Square root. So the square root will be generated from all these underlined numbers. This means 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Let me see. What will I get when you will multiply this? Okay. So when you will multiply this, the square root, you will get 3 times 3. 3 3s are 9. And 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 9 8 times 72 will be your answer. Clearly. Okay. Moving on to the next one. We have enough time because at least the session should be of 20 minutes, not less than that. Otherwise it's useless. Okay. Here on this side only you will get learning materials and no nonsense. Okay. So if you people are really preparing for your examination, this is the best way you can go through. Come to number 5. Find the square root of. Now see, square root of, and you know what they have given you over here? They have given you a decimal number. They have given you 0.1764, a decimal number. So when they have given you decimal number, the priority should be to remove this decimal first. So let us remove this decimal first. So when we'll remove this decimal towards the right hand side, 1 2 3 4, 4 places to the right hand side, 1764. So you will have to divide by 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. Now let's find the square root of this particular number. Square root of this particular number. So again you will have to go through the same process. Okay, nothing different is there. Okay, 1764. So 1764, when you will break it, you will get 2 times 2, then 3 times 3, and 7 times 7. And here, of course, you can write it as 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 or 100 into 100. Okay, according to our convenience. Okay, now let's solve it. Now the square root, naturally when we are finding the square root, we will take one of the pair. So take 1, 3, 7, and here 100. So my dear, let me see what we get. 7 3s are 21, 2s are 42 by 100, which will give you how much? 0.42 as your solution. Yeah? So it's so interesting. Okay, Come to number second. 96. How are they fooling us? 96 1 by 25. Now, what is the use of giving 91, 96 1 by 25? What is the use? Just to confuse us. Just to confuse us, nothing else. So when you will convert this into improper fraction, 96 into 25 plus 1. So 96 into 25 plus 1 will give you 2401 by 25. Okay. Let's find the square root. So here you can see that this automatically got converted into its previous form. So 2401, when you will break it, what are you going to get? You will get what you are supposed to get. Okay, by 5 times 5. Now, come on, extract 7 times 7, and here 5. 49 by 5. So 49 by 5 will give you 5 9 times 45, 94 by 5 as a solution. Okay. See, for example, come to the third one. I hope in the previous lecture, I had told you that please learn all the squares from 11 to 20. Why? See, have a look. Sometimes you think that the teachers, they speak like this only. Okay. Sometimes they do speak, but not every time. 0.0169, let's remove the decimal. So when we'll remove the decimal, we'll get 0169 by 1000. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Come on. So 169, you remember it, 169 is equal to 13 times 13, and this 100 into 100. Okay. So here this is my 13 by 100 is equal to 0.13. Very good. See, it's so smooth. Okay. Now come to the next one, and you will find it's also of the same type. Okay. It is also of the same type. Will you see? Come on, have a look. For example, here in number 2, what do you have? In number 2 you have 14.4 by 22.5. 22.5 square root. So for our priority, as I said, you will have to remove the decimal first. Okay. Without this, I cannot do anything, because even I do not know how to multiply a number by a decimal number, and no one might have taught you. So first we remove the decimal. So now when we remove the decimal to one place from the numerator, I'll have to remove one place from the denominator also. Actually, we should first start from the denominator. Okay, because we want that the denominator should be devoid of any decimal. So this is equal to 144 by 225. So here I found that without putting our head into all these nonsense things, okay, we got our answer. 144 as 12 times 12. Okay, and this is 15 times 15. So do learn the squares of numbers from 11 to 20. 12 by 15 as your answer. 3 4s are 3 5s are, and this is 4 by 5, 5.8 as your answer. Okay, I hope you can do the remaining. So I'll do shall we continue one more? Okay, let's continue one more, but I don't think that it is it is 1 2 3. Okay, leave it. 25 by 32. Okay, when nothing comes into your head or into your mouth what to speak, okay, or when you forget, it's better to keep quiet. Okay, no need to display your talent uselessly. Square root of this. Okay, fine, let's see what this is up to. So 25 by 32. 25 by 32. Okay, fine. And see here, 213 by 18. Please do convert it into its prime factor form. So this is your 49 by 18 into 25 by 100. See, remove the decimal. Oh my god. What do you think? Should you cancel these numbers? Why not? Let's cancel. I'll use a red pen. 5 times 5, 25 4 times, or 25 4 times 100. Why 5 times? Okay. Any more numbers which this can cancel? Okay, leave it. Okay. This 25 can be written as 5 times 5. Clear? And here 7 times 7. Nothing remains on the top. 32. So 32 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. What about 18? 18 can be written as 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. And what about 4? 2 2s are 4. 2 times 2 4. Now let me see if this really comes in the form of a square root. The square root of this 5 into 5 will be 5. Here 7, come here. This has one pair, so okay, fine. 2, again one pair, come here. This has one pair, okay. This has one pair, okay. Now this 2 and this 2 remains, so this has also one. This is also one pair. Very good. See, so 7 5s are how much? 35 by 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 3s are 48. Leave it as it is and be happy. Wait for the next video. Okay, please keep on studying. This is what I would say. Thank you, man.